Hello people, look at this weather. Hey smartphone. Hey Mark. Hello Tiger, hey Brady. It is beautiful. Look. The sky is completely, hey Hellevi, completely blue. Hey. Hey to Paris. Welcome to the forest. Today is the international, it's pretty. It's the International Day of the Forests. Yeah, it's been like this. Hey, hello to Australia. Niin, no kato kun nyt mä sanoin, että Keski-Euroopan aikaa. Anteeksi. But here we are. So, International Day of the Forests, and that's why we are here. Because I have the feeling that not everybody, me too, smartphone, not everybody can hang out in the forest today. So, I thought that it would be nice in the hammock, yeah. Oh, yes, I know about that. That really was a stab in the hearts of the whole world, I think, the bushfires in Australia. But here, I must say, we have so much snow that at the moment we don't have to fear for that, at least. Hello, Wayland. Look, what a marvelous day it is. I must say, I do, almost. Hey, Villanova. Hello. I think you mean that you are missing Lapland. I think that's the thing. Yes, I think so. This is a beautiful, peaceful, gorgeous day. March is very often like this here in Lapland. So this is a typical March weather. Completely bright white snow. I will show you the sun over there. Blue sky. And of course for us it's hammocks. Hammock time. If Stefan was here, he would say hammock time. But Stefan is home ill at the moment. As far as we know, he doesn't have corona at least. But hey, Fisesalo. He is just having a flu. At the moment we have, I think, about 13 hours maybe. Ei todellakaan. That is, of course, everybody at the moment is worried when they get ill, like, oh, do I have it now? But so we have plenty of sun, and it is getting warmer. It's like you can already feel it warm. Hey, John. Yes, I think so at least. Stefan is a bit ill, but he's completely fine. So we are getting to the point when it doesn't even get dark anymore. And of course, because of this kind of because of this kind of bright snow, all the light gets reflected back. You see how bright it is here when the sun is shining. Like you can't be outside without sunnies. I mean. So wait a second, I will show you. This would be me. I'm really at the bottom of this hammock here. But I can't. I have to have my sunnies on, otherwise I can't see anything. So that's the situation here. Yeah, of course. Like, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Hello, hello. So, yeah. Well, life in Lapland is the best life. So I'm not here alone though. Mom and Dad came along. They are there by the fire. Well, no, it's not. It's not a particular. Last night was very, very cold. It was. I mean, I will tell. I will say hi to them when I get there. But last night it was. Well, actually, it's very typical March as well. So in the nighttime, it's completely cold, and then in the. I'm sorry, I don't speak Spanish. Um, then in the daytime it gets warmer. So now at the moment it is maybe, I think, probably -3 Celsius. That is. I will say, you're in Hong Kong. Yeah, so we're in Lapland, in the Arctic, above the Arctic Circle. And because today is the International Day of the Forests. Hey, to Vernon. Hello, hello. Yeah, International Day of the Forest, so I thought that I would take you along. So because of this, tomorrow I won't be scoping from the forest. So today is unlike our normal Sunday scope. Our normal Sunday scope is today. So one day off because of the forest day. But I hope that, yeah, because the very good. Yeah, you don't need to stay up for that tonight. The trees are far apart because we saved this forest from felling. So it was supposed to be taken down completely. That's why these trees are so far apart. So, oh, I'm so sorry to keep you awake for Sundays. No, I find it wonderful, and I find it great to be able to share this with everybody. Hey to Tokyo. So our most beautiful springtime has started, and normally the village would be completely full of people. Well, I'm good. I'm happy at least. Oh, yeah, that's true, Wellfleet guy. They are showing you the way. Forest Day, yes, it's such a beautiful day to have that. No, well, I mean, okay. Well, I'm glad that you don't mind waking up to it, but tomorrow you get to sleep. But yeah, no, this is as I said, this is a very typical March weather. So, and anyways, now it's the end of the March, anyways. Oh, you have checked it out! I'm so happy. It's in process, so we are going to make it much more visual and sort of like much more about the experience. But now, of course, you have to start from somewhere. So yeah, more than that, there's like between these trees, for instance, I think there's like 4 meters, 3.5 maybe. The one that this one and the other one at the other end. Oh yeah, it flipped, of course, sorry. I already thought that it would, but I didn't notice it happen. So, very good. Hello to Manhattan. I think that we'll get up from here and... oh, today, well, we did take along some sausages because Stefan is not along, can't make coffee, but we do have another special kind of a drink for you today. So let's go and see. Caribbean of the Arctic. Basically it is. I agree with that full-heartedly. Stefan is okay. He's just he has a throat ache. Hey, to Switzerland. Nice to have you in Lapland. Look, these are rabbit footsteps. There's footsteps everywhere in the forest at the moment. But yeah, Stefan has a throat ache and something. Hey, Monica, welcome. Look at this. Such a gorgeous day. This is funny. Hey, this is funny. You see the shadows where they are like crossing the paths. There's all kinds of funny stuff here. more footsteps, but this is not a rabbit. Oota, mitähän mä sanoin? Minä unohdin jo, anteeksi. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's still 3-4 feet of snow, something like that. Plenty of it. Let's go and see what Dad is doing. Jaha, mitä sä teet?
Lumen mittausmerkki.
Ahaa.
Viimeksi kun mitattiin.
Silloin kurkkukipu.
Täällä ja täällä. Nyt on, alin on tässä.
Aha.
Ja ylin tuossa. Tässä 3 mittaa otin nyt.
Aha. So this is today is Saturday, but it's the World Forest Day, International Day of Forests. Okay, sanoppa uudestaan. So this is Dad's measuring stick for snow depth.
Nämä otettiin tammikuulla.
That one was from January. Those two. So from 2 different places. Milloin? Nyt äsken vai joskus?
Nyt justiin.
Now Dad just measured. So these were 3 different places today that he measured from. Let's see. So that is, no herranen aika.
Metri 20.
It's still 1 meter 20.
Se on samoista paikasta, justiin samasta paikasta.
Yeah. So 3 feet. Terrible. So this is extremely snowy winter. Hello, you can say, for instance, heippa. That's what I would say. Oh yeah. So this is what we're going to have today. Very Finnish kind of way of packing. Oh, you too, Valentina.
Tämä on eilen hienonsin.
This stuff here.
Tavallisella lihamyllyllä.
Dad has ground it with a meat grinder, and this stuff is called pakuri. So it's chaga. It is a fungus. You know, this is that stuff that Stefan has in his chaga chai syrup.
Sitten pantiin tähän.
He has.
Litra vettä.
There's a liter of water here.
Ja 3
in the pan.
Pantiin pakuria.
3 tablespoons of this stuff. It's a mushroom of a sort. So it's one of those things that grows in a tree.
Ja se on hautunut nyt tässä 15-20
This has been now while. Okay, this is this is straight from our forest. Chaga from our forest. And it's been brewing for 15 to 20 minutes now. So we're going to have some of that.
Ja sitten sakat voi käyttää uudestaan niin kauan kuin
Dad says that you can use like when we pour it out, you can still use it, the same stuff, over and over again, as long as there's... Tule vain tänne asumaan, täällä on mukava olla. Not psychedelic. Hey Alexis! This is not Alaska, this is Finnish Lapland. So we are in the Arctic. For Alexis as well, so that you know, today is, I won't be scoping tomorrow, but today, because it's the International Day of the Forests today. So I'm taking everybody along to... Joo. Badgers. I don't remember if they have them in the south of Finland. Not here in Lapland. Sitten sä pärjäät täällä niinkö. Yeah, but not only, I mean, chaga is used in several countries, and it is used, annako mulle vielä, rupean paistelemaan. It is used even as a as a cancer medicine.
Se pantiin se, jos haluat sitä sanoa, niin se pantiin kylmään veteen se pakuri.
Aha.
Pantiin, että se siitä
it's medicinal, yeah. It
niitä.
went into cold water, says Dad, and then start to brew it slowly.
Oman käsityksensä mukaan se voi.
But there are different recipes for it. So this sausage is super traditional. I'll tell you in a second. Niin?
Tänä aamuna keitin kahvin keittimessä.
Jaha.
Keitin pakuria 0,5 litraa, 6 litraa. Siihen panin 2 suokalusitallista, panin pakuria ja se kiehuu sen läpi. Hitaalla valunnalla, siinä on kahvikeittimässä useampia niitä. Niin sillä hitaalle panee sen valumaan Ja se kestää
I'll
silloin
translate that in a second.
10-15 minuuttia. Sitten sen jälkeen vain pannaan toiseen astiaan ja se suodattimen kanssa pannaan ottamaan seuraavaa keittoa.
So what Dad has, the way that Dad has done it at home this morning was that he put it in a coffee machine. So he put a filter in a coffee machine, put this ground chaga in it, and then made it drip really slowly. So then they've already had made some chaga tea this morning. It is so yes, so it's medicinal. Oho! Siinä makkaranpaistaja. Oh, Dad's sausage had already split once, so it fell into the fire. And because of his lumberjack's fingers, he just picked it out of the fire with his fingers. I would not do that, but Dad is a bit.
Kahvia, niin sehän piti kerran kaatua ja 2 kertaa kiehua yli.
So when in the old days they used to make coffee, it would have to fall over once and boil over twice, and then it would be good. So that's the same kind of tactic that he has with his sausage now, he says. I'm now kind of having it in a wrong place because you shouldn't have it in the flames. Then you only get the what is it? Soot. How do you call it? Like it gets black, but it doesn't cook. The best thing would be. Oh, I will think about that, Wilfried. So you would have to put it in the. So difficult to do it with one hand. The to have it on the embers. Yeah. No, we are safe in our own forest here. There's not any other people here. We are here completely by ourselves. Oh, look, my sausage is looking fine. Charred, yeah. I will. No, just the sausage. So hey to France. We are in the sun as well. Look, we have a beautiful blue sky, but we just have a lot of snow. No, today I won't go on Twitch because I have Stefan's phone with me, and I don't have the Twitch in it. So basically, he does well, Fleet Guy actually. Oh, in New York, This is such a strange time in the world. So that's also why I thought that I'll take, I'll take you guys to the forest to think about something else for a while, and to get to be in the nature, because we can social distance ourselves into the forest and without any trouble. Yeah, the skin is peeling off. No, this is like, yes, this is just the kind of extremely traditional Finnish kind of sausage. Finns are, voin hyvin kuvitella, niin on ollut monessa perheessä varmaan ja monella yksin asuvalla varsinkin. Onneksi sulla on Santra kuitenkin. Drying something in the background. Oh, those you mean? No, they are just. We had them as decoration when we had a young couple. The guy proposed to his girlfriend here, and it looked super pretty. There was a lot of snow, like on the trees and everything, and all those things as well. So they were the decoration that we had. Because we have people coming from all over the world. Oh, I'm happy that you like to share it. Jaha, let's go and see the limbs. Which limbs would you be talking about? Look. So this is chaga tea. It looks almost like well-boiled coffee, says Dad. This is quite strong. So this has been researched even a lot, this stuff. No, it's brown. We will have give this. We will have let it cool down a little bit. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Let it cool down. Oh, look, that's a perfect place to look. Now this is a perfect sausage grilling place right here. You see when when the embers are red like this. The grounds are in the pot, yeah. They are.
Tosi hyvin makkaran kanssa.
Pakuriteen niinkö? So chaga tea goes very well with the sausage, says Dad.
Tosi hyvin.
I think mine is almost done as well. Could have taken some mustard, because that's the thing to have. Almost done.
Sopi hyvin pakurille.
See. This is not very sightly. No. But it's more. This is more like the forest stuff is more like Dad's thing. Let's see. Here we go. So this is not like a high quality sausage, but it is extremely traditional. Chinese sausage. Oh, that is very peculiar. That's a funny thing. Like when you go to some country, you expect things to be a little bit the same way. Like if I would taste a sausage and it would be sweet, it would be really weird. Take my glove and take my chaga. Yeah, there's different kinds of sausage. Äiti, istu sieltä jalas. Istu alas, ei tarvitse seistä. Mehän mahumme siihen kaikki vierekkäin. We can all fit to sit here next to each other. Get your water. Well, this I admit I took it along, but no problem. But it would be. Yeah, he's an old lumberjack. He's always comfortable in the forest. So it would be okay to use the snow as well for water. It is so clean. Look, the sun is peaking. Oh, okay. Going to take a bite of this sausage. Have to. It's quite warm. Do you hear the crunch? I wonder what kind of sound you hear actually, because the mic is so close by. My apologies, it's like accidental ASMR. Thank you. So now everybody gets to have a bite. Yeah. Sounds. It is crunchy. Yes. Everybody's turn. It is actually. It is very much the similar kind. Soft from this side and crunchy from the other side. Yeah, it does. So let's have another bite. You can taste it through your ears. Okay, here we go. Another bite.
Joo, ei mitään. Ei yhtään linkua.
Ei, se on viime.
This is really nice.
Alkaa pesimään, niin.
I mean, special. Tastes like Czech klobasa. Does it? What is that then? Is that a sausage as well? Because this this is actually. So as I said, this is not a quality sausage. Like there would be much better ones, but kielbasa. I have to look it up if I remember. My brain always works very special on the scope. Next bite. Oh. Accidentally took half of the peel. Most of the crunch.
Niin. Niin.
Onko se liian kuumaa vielä? Pitäisikö se jäähtyä vähän ennen kuin muovipulloon pistää?
Niin, no se.
We're going to take that along for Stefan. Take it home so that he gets to have some chai tea as well. Look, this is still steaming. Okay. Ah, now the birds are coming. Yeah, mustard would be very, very much appreciated this time, but now I'm afraid we just don't have it. Let's see. Our logo is here on this side. Can you see it? Oh no, it doesn't sharpen it. No, and I can't do it because I only have. You see it a little bit. It says halipuu there. Halipuu means a hugging tree. So here, let's have a drink. Mä tykkään valkoisesta jasmiiniteestä. Se on minun suosikki. Mandragorasta saa. Very good. Okay, here let's have a sip of chaga. Wait again. It wasn't as hot as I was fearing. Ooh, this is strong. Very strong. A little bit bitter. Se on tosi hyvä. Jasmine, Dragon, Pearls, jotain semmoista se on. Minun lempiteeni. Yeah, so this is you can taste that it's healthy, but it's also really nice. Yeah, he can eat soup. He can eat actually everything at the moment. He's got a throat ache, but it's not that bad, you know. So actually, he can eat anything. I have really a Finnish accent nowadays. I didn't used to. For a while, I had really like a beautiful British accent, but since I've been living back in Finland for so long already, that my nice accent is gone, and my Finnish accent is back. Plus, I have some Dutch in my accent nowadays as well, because I'm married to a Dutchman. So it's a special mixture. Happy to hear that at least. You can listen to Kimi Räikkönen. Well, he speaks so little that you can hardly. Kyllä mulla ihan hyvä sanavarasto on, mutta very good. I'm happy that you don't suffer from listening. This is really good for now. But anyways, being here at the moment, he is a good driver and a special kind of a person. Transparent. Okay. That's what happens, of course. But so the air here, most of you I think know. Most of you already know, but the air here is the purest in the world, in the inhabited world. There is a measuring center, 20 kilometers or maybe 30 kilometers that way. And that's where they measure the cleanest air on the planet. Plus that the trees that we have here, they emit this stuff called phytoncides. So phytoncides are compounds that the tree emits to protect itself from all kinds of bugs and germs and things like that. But I'm sure that it's pretty much everywhere. You know. But oh, you mean that they protect the trees from the coronavirus? Maybe. But they are extremely beneficial for the human health. I'll get up in a second. Wait a second. I'll finish my chaga and then we can go and hug a tree and I will tell you more about it. Wait. Ooh, very strong, very good. It's going to make me very healthy. What type of trees? These are pine trees. You see? Finnish pine trees. And compared to the ones that grow in the south of Finland, these are very low. Look, that's our hammock from earlier. But these have a longer lifespan. No, actually they don't. Aha, joo.
Joo.
The Finnish, especially Finnish men, traditionally have had. It is nice, isn't it? Finnish men especially have had always a lot of heart diseases, and that's got to do with eating a lot of salt. But it has gotten better nowadays. Longleaf pines, yeah. It is. It's wonderful. You can make a lot of stuff out of them as well. Hiccups. Look, we are going to hug a tree, and we are going to breathe in some of the phytonuts. I'm sending them to you because I don't know if you are able to go in the forest otherwise. It is very beautiful and peaceful here. Look, this stuff is the lichen. It grows on the tree. Hey, to Istanbul. Look, this only grows in places where the air is absolutely pure. You are very welcome. I'm very happy to be able to send you some tree energy, some healthy phytonuts from the forest. No technique to this. I think it would be good for you if you have a good, nice, beautiful tree in your surroundings. Go and hug it. It's beneficial for your health in many ways. There's research on that as well. But here we go. So what we do is just lean on it. That would be a good job. Oh man, I can really feel it. Yes. May you all receive a hug from this tree. And may it bring health and well-being to everybody. Look at that beautiful blue sky. Oh, it's giving a big dose of energy to everybody. Yeah, but at least you don't need to be worried about catching anything with these. Maybe only thing you catch is a good mood. I think the forest is my guardian, don't you think? You know? It's the forest that gives me and the... Yeah, exactly. It's so nice. Well, thank you for the super heart, by the way. This, by the way, feels like as if it was an animal of some kind. You can really... It's like petting an animal. Hey, to Canada. You have a lot of trees to hug there as well. This is very good for you. Forest is the best place to be at the moment. Oh, mind you, the ones that know our app, I have added a new tree in there. It's called Toivo. Toivo means hope. It's a Finnish man's name. And that is a quarantine tree. So if you want, go and join the clan of Toivo, the quarantine tree. All of the people who join, joining a clan, we are going to plant a tree for every single clan member. So every person that joins gets a tree sapling in the forest. Me, I am over 40 years old. So, but it's okay. I don't mind. I don't I'm very happy not to be 20 anymore. I don't think I would have had the guts to go. It's on Android. Yeah. It is just you just go to Play Store and download it. I don't think I would have had the guts to go around hugging trees when I was 20. Okay, I agree. Very good. I agreed. Life begins at 40. That's when you actually. You don't have to worry about like looking a certain way anymore, or at least I haven't. So look at this. Now that I'm here without Stefan, I'm here with my parents. I think I will have to soon go because I don't want to have them in the forest too long. Yeah, I don't mind at all. But from what I've understood, the first time when I spoke to, oh really, minus 25 Celsius. Wow, that's cold. Where are you then? So yes, I completely agree with you. Oh. I think that at the Northern Ontario, okay, I have to think how high up it is. Yes. What was I going to say? Yeah, and Stefan's coffee. But he just needs to get well. So even though the forest is healing, it's not a smart idea to have him in the wind at the moment, no matter how beautiful and healing weather it actually is. I love it. I think that I can see that Mom and Dad are getting a bit anxious already, so I think that I will now say bye to you, everybody, but I will leave you with the tree. So here, take some healing energy from here. Oh, ja just kun mä olin lopettamassa. Voi. Thank you for being here. Ja voit katsoa uusintana. Mä vielä halan kuule sulle puuta nyt kun ollaan. Well, that's a bit different thing then again. Everybody stay safe. So tomorrow there is no periscope because I was scoping today. Hey, it's Italy. A lot of health there. Oh, still a tree hug to everybody. Thank you for being with us. Have a nice day. Everybody stay healthy. Yes, we shall do that. And you stay virus free. Yeah, stay safe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye everybody. Bye people.